How to recover deleted Telegram channel. So if you want to recover your deleted Telegram channel, then first you need to open up your Telegram application. Once you open up your Telegram now, for example, I'll be choosing this file to link bot, or you can choose a channel. For example, I'll be choosing this Love Island. Tap on it and then I'll be choosing to join. Once you've joined the channel, now if you want to delete it, then you just need to simply tap and hold on to it, and then you can go with delete and tap on leave channel, and you will have 5 seconds to recover your deleted channel. But if you've not recovered within the 5 seconds, then you just need to simply go with the search again, which is on the upper right, and then again search for that particular channel. Once you search here, again you will have the channel, and you can again go with the join, which is on the bottom, and you can join the channel. So that's how you can recover your deleted Telegram channel. You just need to simply know the name of that channel, and you can go with search and you can recover that channel. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.